Everything in this universe, from the stars above us to the marketplace beneath us, follows a single, unbreakable law. Scarcity creates value. Gold is precious because the earth hides it. Sand is worthless because it surrenders itself to every footstep. Yet, most people live their lives like sand. They are constantly available, perpetually reachable, and obsessively present. They mistake visibility for importance, not realizing that by being everywhere, they have become mundane. They have become background noise, a static hum in the lives of others that is eventually tuned out. If you want to increase your value, you must master the most difficult and counterintuitive art of all, the art of leaving. The world operates on the brutal principle of supply and demand. In any interaction, the person who is most available is the one with the least power. When your presence is a guaranteed certainty, the supply of you is infinite, and thus your perceived value drops to zero. You become a habit, a commodity, a fixture of the environment, like a piece of furniture that no one notices until it's gone. Humans are biologically wired to ignore what they possess and crave what they might lose. To be truly respected, to be truly desired, and to be truly influential, you must introduce the threat of your absence. You must become a ghost in a world of loud, desperate shadows. Strategic absence is not about playing childish games. It is about psychological sovereignty. It begins with the profound realization that your time, your attention, and your energy are the most limited and sacred resources you possess. Every time you say yes to a trivial invitation, every time you respond to a meaningless message within seconds, and every time you explain your whereabouts to those who haven't earned the right to know, you are devaluing your own currency. You are telling the world that your time is cheap. When you stop being the one who always reaches out, a powerful shift occurs. You create a void. In that void, people are forced to confront the space you once occupied. In the silence where your voice used to be, they are forced to think about you. Curiosity is the father of obsession. By withdrawing, you force others to invest their most precious asset in you, their mental energy. They begin to wonder where you are, what you are doing, and why they no longer have effortless, 24/7 access to your world. You have shifted from being a given to being a prize. Presence creates friction, but absence creates myth. History is not written by the people who were always in the room. It is written by the figures who appeared at the perfect moment, made an impact that changed the course of events, and then vanished back into the mist. They understood that to remain legendary, you must stay out of reach. Familiarity breeds contempt. The more you are seen and heard, the more common you appear. But when you are gone, people do not remember you exactly as you were. They remember the idealized version of you. Your absence allows their imagination to fill in the blanks, painting your character in colors far more vivid and grand than reality could ever provide. You are no longer a person, you are a concept. But there is a craft to this. If you disappear without first establishing value, you will simply be forgotten. The secret lies in the peak-end rule of psychology. You must make your presence so impactful, so concentrated, and so high value that your departure feels like a genuine loss to the environment. Do not be the person who lingers until the conversation dies and the energy in the room turns cold. Be the person who leaves when the energy is at its absolute peak. Leave them wanting more. Leave them with the feeling that they have only scratched the surface of who you are. This is strategic withdrawal. You are not hiding in fear. You are husbanding your resources. You are choosing when and where to shine, rather than letting your light be dimmed and exhausted by constant, unnecessary exposure. In this age of hyperconnectivity, where everyone is just a notification away, the person who can disappear is the only person who is truly free. Silence is a message. Absence is a roar. It communicates that your world is complete and fulfilled without the constant validation of others. It signals that you are the sun and they are the planets. They revolve around your light. You do not chase their shadows. When you eventually reappear after a period of calculated absence, your words carry 10 times the weight. Your presence has a gravitational pull that wasn't there before. Your influence is doubled because you have proven that you can survive, thrive, and exist entirely without them. You are no longer just another face in the digital or social crowd. You are the event they have been waiting for. You are the rare occurrence that demands attention. Master the power of the void. Learn to say no to the trivial so that you can be a resounding, earth-shaking yes to the exceptional. Protect your scarcity like a king guards his treasury. Guard your distance like a fortress, because the person who is always there is eventually ignored. But the person who knows when to vanish is the one who becomes a legend. Step back, disappear, reclaim your mystery, and watch your value rise to heights you never thought possible. Welcome to the power of the ghost.